Hi students, now we are going to see the example number 3 to establish the relationship among the physical quantities. Assuming that the frequency nu of a vibrating string may depend upon first one applied force F, second one is length of the string, and third one is mass per unit length, mass divided by length, m of the string. We have to prove that the frequency nu is proportional to 1 by L into square root of F by m. Okay. So first I will take the frequency nu. Okay. The frequency nu depends on, so frequency nu depends on three factors. So what are the different factors? F, L and mass per unit length. This is not only the mass divided by length is called mass per unit length. Okay, so F, first of all the factor is F. So the frequency nu is proportional to F raised to the power x, and this is nu proportional to L raised to the power y, and nu is proportional to m raised to the power z. So combining all the three, I am going to write the frequency nu is proportional to f power x into L power y into m power z. Okay, I will write like this. Now we are supposed to derive this proportionality expression only. So here no need to multiply by the dimensional constants and all. Without that we can prove. Now frequency, I am going to substitute. Okay, I am going to substitute the dimensions. Okay, so this is expression 1. So substituting the dimensions in the expression 1, left side is frequency is the reciprocal of the time period. So t power minus 1. Left hand side is what? T power minus 1 is the dimension of frequency. Okay, right side there are three factors, and the first factor is the force. Force is mass into acceleration. So the first factor is force m L t power minus 2 whole power x. So m L t power minus 2 into next factor is length L. So length L is having a dimension capital L raised to the power y into the third factor m is mass per unit length, mass by length, capital M by L. So I can write that as m into L power minus 1. So this is m L power minus 1 whole to the power of z, So for each term on the right hand side we have substituted the dimensional formula. Now as usual I am going to group the terms and equating the powers of m, L and t. Now left hand side is t power minus 1. There is no mass term, there is no length term. Therefore I can also write m raised to the power 0, L raised to the power 0 into t raised to the power minus 1. Okay, so this is on the left hand side. And on the right hand side you see this is now proportional to, the right side is here m raised to the power 1 whole power x. So m is raised to the power x here. Second bracket no mass term. Third bracket there is mass term m raised to the power z. So totally m power x into m power z is m power x plus z. So this is m power x plus z. Here x and here z. Similarly, next is L term. Here L is raised to the power x, here L is raised to the power y, and here L is raised to the power minus z. So totally L is raised. So totally L is raised to the power x here, okay, plus y and minus z. Here minus 1 power z is minus z. Okay, t factor only one and only factor is here, that is t power minus 2 whole power x. So that is into t to the power of minus 2x minus 2x. Okay. Now equating the powers. So equating the powers of m, l and t. Equating the powers of m, l and t here. Now first I will take a t term. So t power minus 2x. Here t power minus 1. Is it not? So minus 2x is equal to minus 1. So minus 2x is equal to minus 1. Or 2x is equal to 1. Or x is equal to 1 by 2. So x is equal to 1 by 2 we have got comfortably. Second one is I will equate m term. That also is very simple. M term. X plus z. Here 0. So x plus z is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus of z. Or z is equal to minus of x. Okay, I will take z is equal to minus of x. X is already half we have got. When z is equal to minus of x, therefore what should be z is equal to? Therefore z must be equal to minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now I am going to take the middle term L. So L is raised to the power x plus y minus z, and here L power 0. So if I equate, what will happen? So x plus y minus z is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 by 2. I will substitute here 1 by 2 plus y minus of z. Minus of z is minus of minus 1 by 2. So this is minus of minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So minus of minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. So 1 plus y is equal to 0. Therefore y is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1. So we have solved the equations and got the values of x, y and z. So what is the value of x is 1 by 2 and y is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to what? Minus 1 by 2. I am going to substitute these values in the expression number 1. Okay. Therefore nu is proportional to f power is what? X, is it not? So force F to the power x. What is x? 1 by 2. So it is power 1 by 2 into what is L raised to the power y. So this is L raised to the power y is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 means it is going to appear in the denominator. Is it not? 1 by L. L power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by L. Okay. Into third factor is what? This is mass per unit length. Mass per unit length is also called by another name, students, that is called linear mass density. Linear mass density. Anyhow, that is m raised to the power z. Z is what? Minus 1 by 2. See, f is force. Force is raised to the power 1 by 2 means what is it? It is square root of f, is it not? Square root of f. Then mass is raised to the power minus 1 by 2 means what? 1 by square root of m. Is it not? So this implies nu is proportional to 1 by L. L power minus 1 is 1 by L. F power half is square root of f. M power minus half is 1 by square root of m. So this is square root of f divided by m. So what is to be proved here? Prove that nu is proportional to 1 by L into root over f by m. We have proved nu, the frequency nu is proportional to 1 by L into square root of f by m. I hope you have understood. Bye.